For our next assignment, we're going to make a chatbot from Python. And so I'm going to do a little example of what could be done. And when you go and do your chatbot, hopefully you'll make it very interesting with lots of different questions and stuff. So here we go. Okay, so first of all, we start as when we start any little project, we start by putting a little header at the top with our name, Mr. Wu, and the date, and some kind of title, a simple chatbot, and you'll call it assignment 1.2. All right, so what are we gonna do? Well, first we're gonna ask a question. Nope. First we're gonna import random because we're going to do the thing where we have a list of several responses and it's gonna pick one at random. And then we're going to define a variable, and that variable is going to be the response, user response, so I'll call it user response. And then we'll ask our question. So print, what's the question going to be? How was your lunch? And we're going to get the response. So user response equals input brackets. Okay, so that's where the user is going to answer the question, how was your lunch? And then now we have to figure out where we want to go with this. So I'm going to do this. If user response equals good or user response equals good with a capital colon print I forgot to define my list of like pre-recorded responses, so let's do that now. Oh, whoops, I forgot to do this. User response, I forgot to define what user response was going to be. So this is called initializing the variable. So we don't use it until down here, but I'm just going to put it here so that I know that we are going to use it. In this case, I'll just put it quotation mark, which is a string with nothing in it. It's just an empty string, so that I know that this variable is in fact a string. The other one that I'm going to initialize is, I don't know what we'll call it, comment list. Comment list equals, and then this is going to be a list. Wonderful, or delightful, or I'm glad you liked it. Sure. End the brackets. So now I can print a random thing from my comment list. So as you recall, to do a random thing, we have to go random.choice of whatever's in our comment list in brackets. Okay, elif user response equals bad, or user response equals capital bad. Print. Okay. Yeah, I mean, ideally we would have another list of bad things, but just to save time, I'm just gonna skip that, and I'm just gonna say, sorry to hear that. Better luck next time. Else, print. I'm sorry, I didn't understand what you said. Okay, so if the user enters good or good capital G, I know what to do. If the user enters bad or capital B bad, I know what to do. Otherwise, I'm not sure what he means, so I'll just print some random generic response. Okay. So that should be it. Let's run it and see if it works. How was your lunch? Bad. Sorry to hear that. Better luck next time. Okay, so it worked. Let's run it again. This time we'll say good. No, capital G good. Delightful. And let's try it again and just type in some random stuff. I'm sorry, I didn't understand what you said. So there you go. There is a simple chatbot. And so you can use that as a model for when you're making your own chatbot, which should be, similar, but maybe even better than this one. All right, that's all for, thanks for watching. See you next time.